This war, this fighting that has been going on from its inception was caused by DRC, not by
iyi ntambara ndetse n'izi mirwano zose uri kumva ziva muri Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Congo ntabwo zatejwe n'u Rwanda, ahubwo zatejwe na Congo ubwayo. Aba nabo barwana baharanira uburenganzira bwabo, ndagira ngo nkumenyeshe ko bataturutse mu Rwanda.
So let me ask this directly, Mr. President. Today on the 3rd of February, does Rwanda currently have any troops at all in Eastern DRC?
Kuri iyi tariki ya 3 Gashyantare, nyakubahwa Perezida, ndagira ngo nkwibarize, ese haba hari igisirikare cy'u Rwanda cyaba kibarizwa ku butaka bwa Congo?
I don't know.
Ibyo ntabyo nzi.
You're the commander in chief.
Ko ni wowe muyobozi mukuru.
Many things I don't know.
Yego, ariko hari ibintu byinshi ntaba nzi.
But if you want to ask me, is there a problem in Congo that concerns?
Ahubwo wakambajije ku bijyanye niba hari ikibazo cyaba kiri kubera muri Congo kireba u Rwanda.
And that Rwanda would do anything to protect itself, I'd say 100%.
Icyo gihe ukambaza nimba u Rwanda hari icyo rwakora kugira ngo rwirinde, icyo gihe nagusubiza yuko byakorwa 100%.
Does this risk a war in the region?
I don't know. I don't think anybody is interested in war.
Ese urakeka niba ibi byateza intambara yo mu karere? Ntabwo mbizi, sinkeka ko hari umuntu urajwe inshinga n'intambara.
I even don't think Tshisekedi is interested in war himself. But he has been encouraged.
Nta nubwo ntekereza ko Tshisekedi ubwe nawe yaba arajwe inshinga n'ibintu byijyanye n'intambara, ahubwo we araterwa imbaraga n'abamushuka.
In that direction, by people showing up to fight for him his war.
Muri icyo cyerekezo ubwoko bwanjye bwerekana kurwanira intambara ze.
That Rwanda exports coltan, for instance, which does not exist here, is smuggled from DRC.
Muri icyo gihe biravugwa yuko u Rwanda hari amabuye rucuruza ataba mu Rwanda, bavuga yuko ari amabuye y'agaciro yibwe muri Congo.
We'll show you where we mine coltan. But
does Rwanda export any other minerals that are smuggled from Eastern DRC?
Wadusuye uze kuza tugutembereze mu birombe ducukuramo amabuye yacu y'agaciro. Bivugwa yuko yaba ari amabuye nawe yibwa muri Congo.
I don't know about that, because that in any case can't be the problem. People who are benefiting from minerals of Congo more than anybody else are South Africa and these are the Europeans who are making noise about it.
Ntekereza ko icyo atari ikibazo kitagakwiye ndetse no kuba ikibazo, kubera ko bibaye amabuye y'agaciro ibihugu birimo biraprofitira cyangwa se birungukira mu bijyanye n'amabuye y'agaciro, harimo South Africa ndetse n'ibyo bihugu by'Iburayi byirirwa bivuza induru.
The comparison has been made that you are the Vladimir Putin of Africa, that he attacked eastern Ukraine claiming to protect the ethnic minority while having an eye on the minerals there.
I may be called anything. What can I do about it?
None uravuga iki ku bantu bakugereranya na Vladimir Putin wateye Ukraine ndetse nawe bavuga yuko arwanirira ibijyanye n'irondakoko? Ese wowe icyo urabivugaho iki? Inge banyita icyo bashatse cyose kubera ko nubundi none nabikoraho iki? Nduwo ndiwe kandi koko ngomba kuba uwo turi we.
And we have to do what we have to do. I have explained enough of that.
Kubera ko tugomba gukora n'ikigomba gukorwa. Nkeka ko nagusobanuriye bihagije kuri ibyo ngibyo.
So but we have to make sure we survive any storm that blows across our country.
Ariko tugomba kumenya neza ko turokotse umuyaga wari wo wose waba uhuha ugana mu gihugu cyacu. Perezida Kagame nanone n'ubundi yemeje ko azitabira inama ya East African Community n'ubundi izabera muri gihugu cya Tanzania. Ni inama n'ubundi izaba ihujwe no kwiga ku kibazo cya mutekano muke ugaragara burasirazuba bwa Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Congo. Ni inama rero izaba kuri uyu wa gatandatu, ni ibintu byemejwe na nyakubahwa perezida Paul Kagame ko iyo nama azayitabira. Ni mu gihe rero iyo nama izaba iri kubera mu iki gihugu cya Tanzania, ni igihugu cy'abaturanyi, ni igihugu n'ubundi gihana imipaka n'u Rwanda. Ni igihugu rero kizaba kiri kuberamo iyi nama kuri uyu wa gatandatu. Ni inama tuzabagezaho n'ubundi mbona nkubone kuri The QuickTimes News. Nakagaruka rero reka mbareke, nta kindi usabwa uretse kureba hasi handitse subscribe ugakandaho, maze tukayatubana 5 kuri 5 muri breaking news nk'izi ngizi ndetse n'andi makuru atandukanye.
So this interview will likely lead to more a war of words on both sides, as you're already seeing. President Tshisekedi's team, President Ramaphosa's team are not happy about this. President Kagame told me that in his last call with President Ramaphosa, the statement that came out of South Africa was completely different. He felt that President Ramaphosa misrepresented what he said and he had to set the record straight. So maybe that meeting on Saturday could help unlock this deadlock. But so far, it seems that the positions are still very far apart and there's quite some daylight between Rwanda and its neighbor, the DRC.